What is up, guys? It's Greta, and today we are doing a hairstyle from the Disney's movie Jungle Cruise. I watched this one recently with my fiance and his sister, and I just had a really fun time with it. I thought it was so fun, witty, cute, and the hairstyles that Emily Blunt wear in the movie are pretty cute too. Now, there's one in particular I thought was really fun and wanted to highlight, and that was her hairstyle where she wore with a scarf. Most of her hairstyles are up in a little bun or something kind of at this portion of her head, not too high, not too low, but kind of in the middle. Because that's very like, it's just a bun. I mean, there's a little more, obviously there's more styling that goes into it because they have it like swept back nice and cute. But this is the one that I thought was fun, so we're gonna focus on that one today. So I've got my Jungle Cruise inspired outfit on. I know this doesn't match, but this is the scarf I have that's going to be going in the hair like that. And to prep my hair, number one, I have some dry shampoo to give it a little bit of texture. And then I separated from here to here, curled that on both sides. And then I kind of just left this all straight because it is just going up in a bun. If you want it to be more textured, you can curl that more, or if you have natural curls, that's awesome. But mostly I just wanted this so that I could like sweep it up and back with a little more texture like that, and then it'll get pinned into the bun after. So let's begin. The first step is just to make sure that you have these sections in front of your ear sectioned away. Like I said, I already did that and I already curled them. So then I'm gonna take this section and I'm going to pull it up into kind of a mid ponytail. And I don't want it to look perfect, just to kind of like pull this back roughly. So it still has some texture. It's not so perfectly smoothed out like that. I'm gonna grab the ponytail holder, pull it around. Go ahead and put your ponytail in. This is gonna create a nice secure base for the bun and your bobby pins to secure to. If you want, you can even kind of tug at a few pieces around. Okay, so we're gonna look like something like that. For now, we're gonna take the bandana or scarf. This is kind of an in-between. It's not quite as short as a bandana, but it's not as long as a scarf. So it's about 2.5 to 3 inches in width after I folded it. That's gonna place right here. So I want that even, like the ends even. Oh. This is pretty slippery, it's like silky. So we're gonna place that where we want it. Again, making sure the bottom is even. And then because this is black, I'm gonna use some black bobby pins just to pin it in place from the back forward, both sides. And I am doing the ridged side down and the flat side on top of the scarf so that it hides a little bit better. And we may be able to take these out after we have everything in place with the bun and everything, but for now we're just gonna use the pins to keep it secure. Okay. And then I'm gonna use 2 more for the bottom. So taking this down and under. And this is gonna go up into it like this. again with that flat side on the top part of the scarf. Now you could too, if you want, you could have tied that underneath and then place the pins into the scarf. That works too. Okay, now we'll create our bun with the ponytail. So what I like to do is actually tie it in a knot. So I flip that around, flip it under, over, twist it some more. Then I have these two fingers through, but now I'm gonna pop my thumb through that loop I just created. Bring that under, pinch it, grab that loop, and then pull the end through. And then again, I'm kind of twisting the tail and bringing it all the way around. And then we're going to bobby pin this in place. Okay. Then we can take our scarf, kind of tuck that into it from the side. So I don't want to bring that up and around this way. I want to follow the direction it's flowing already. And just tuck it in. Okay, so that just goes around the bun. And now for the fun part, we're gonna kind of maneuver this part up. So I'm gonna separate this into two pieces. She had a heavier side and a lighter side. So the heavier side is, say, like the bangs. And her face framing is shorter than mine. Mine is due for a trim. But we're gonna go ahead and take this, separate that in two, like I said. We're gonna do the top one first. Break that into two, twist it loosely, pull it back, then we're gonna tug on the ends here to give that some looseness, look a little bit more like bangs, kind of tug on this. That comes back. You can leave out whatever you want to leave out. And we're gonna pin this hair. I'm actually gonna use a hairpin instead of a bobby pin. So that's the one that's just like the double prongs like that are open. That goes all the way around that hair. And in. Okay. And we're gonna take this section, kind of split that into two, twist that a little bit more, loosen it up slightly. I'm gonna take a little bit of hair from underneath to leave out. I'm gonna tuck it up through that one, okay? Looseness is fine, that's what we're going for, kind of that messy. Tuck that in with a bobby pin as well. And we'll do the other side and then we'll kind of pin these in when we're done. So this one I'm gonna decide. So let's see what we want to do. Maybe we'll do just the two like that. Pull out some pieces around the face. I think I want this one a little bit tighter. You just work with it until you get it how you want it to look. Okay. Now we're just going to take these sections kind of pin them up in different areas, but leaving some out is totally fine too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my mirror and I'm gonna kind of see behind me. One moment. All right guys, this is the finished hairstyle. I hope you enjoy this one. I think it turned out pretty nice. So I'll give you the final spin. Sit up in the chair here. I am happy with how this one turned out. I hope you guys like this. If you watched the movie, let me know in the comments down below and tell me if this was your favorite hairstyle too. Let me know if you try this one out, and be sure to follow me on YouTube by subscribing to my channel and turning on your post notifications. That will help so much for me and you to know when my next video comes out, because I do post weekly, typically every Thursday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.